It is 8:30 p.m., which is kind of late, but we promised we would be in Breckenridge, Colorado yesterday. Too bad, we only finished the car a few hours ago, and then we had to pack and all that stuff. So here we are, rushing towards our final destination. This also means that we probably will not be able to see everything that we plan to see on the way, but we're hoping we'll have enough time on the way back to stop and see whatever it is we want to see. Recording live, Lake Michigan. Nebraska. We're in the middle of nowhere, but this is unreal. I don't know if this camera is doing it justice. And there's like 100 dogs and 150 horses and cows and like,
oh my God, that lightning!
I just want to frolic through these hills. We lost the drone. It's probably in the thunderstorm that's on this way, and then there's some crazy this way. Look at that thing. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. There's a lake. I want to go walk to the lake though. Should put up this tent before like we get rained on, but it's not a battery. We got a battery in this bitch. This is friendly. My heart is pounding right now. The donkey and their little horses. Look at it. Hey guys. I'm like so excited with all the animals. I need to pee. I'm so excited.